Welcome, everyone. Today I am going to talk about Google AdSense, a powerful tool that can help you monetize your website and turn it into a source of income. But what exactly is Google AdSense? How does it work? And how can you make the most of it? These are the questions we'll be answering in this presentation, so sit back, relax, and get ready to learn. What is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is an advertising program that allows website owners to earn money by displaying ads on their websites. These ads are targeted to the content of the website, meaning that they are more likely to be relevant to the visitor and therefore more likely to be clicked on. When a visitor clicks on an ad, the website owner earns a portion of the revenue generated by that click. This revenue can add up quickly, especially for websites with high traffic volumes. How to sign up for Google AdSense? To sign up for Google AdSense, navigate to the AdSense website and click on the Sign Up Now button. You will be prompted to enter your website URL and select your language and account type. Next, fill out your personal information and submit your application. Once your application is approved, you can log into your AdSense account and customize your ad settings. You can choose from a variety of ad formats and sizes, and place them on your website wherever you want. Choosing the right ad format. Google AdSense offers a variety of ad formats to choose from, each with its own unique advantages and disadvantages. For example, display ads are great for generating brand awareness, while text ads are better suited for driving clicks and conversions. Link units, on the other hand, are ideal for websites with limited space. It's important to consider your website's layout and audience when choosing the right ad format for your site. Optimizing ad placement. Ad placement is a crucial factor in maximizing your revenue with Google AdSense. Placing ads in the right location can significantly increase click-through rates and ultimately, your earnings. One effective strategy is to place ads above the fold, which means placing them on the top portion of your website where visitors can see them without having to scroll down. Additionally, placing ads near your content can increase engagement and clicks. However, be careful not to overcrowd your website with too many ads, as this can negatively impact user experience. Creating quality content. Quality content is the backbone of a successful website, and it's essential for maximizing your revenue with Google AdSense. When you provide valuable and engaging content, visitors are more likely to stay on your site, interact with your ads, and return in the future. To create high-quality content, start by understanding your audience and their needs. What questions do they have? What problems can you solve for them? Then, use clear and concise language to communicate your message effectively. Incorporate multimedia elements like images, videos, and infographics to make your content visually appealing and break up long blocks of text. Driving traffic to your website. Driving traffic to your website is crucial for the success of your Google AdSense account. Without visitors, there will be no clicks, and without clicks, there will be no revenue. So, how can you increase website traffic? Here are some tips. 1. Use social media to promote your website and its content. Share your articles on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other platforms to reach a wider audience. 2. Optimize your website for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your content and meta tags to improve your ranking on Google and other search engines. 3. Guest post on other websites in your niche. This will help you reach a new audience and drive traffic back to your own website. 4. Participate in online forums and communities related to your niche. Be helpful and provide value to the community, and include a link to your website in your signature. By following these tips and best practices, you can increase website traffic and maximize your revenue potential with Google AdSense. Tracking your AdSense performance. To effectively track your AdSense performance, you need to understand the key performance indicators, KPIs, that matter. These KPIs include click-through rate, CTR, cost per click, CPC, and earnings per click, EPC. By tracking these metrics over time, you can identify trends and make informed decisions about how to optimize your AdSense revenue. One way to track your AdSense performance is through the AdSense dashboard, which provides real-time data on your ad performance. You can also use Google Analytics to track your website traffic and see how it correlates with your AdSense revenue. By analyzing this data, you can identify areas for improvement and make changes to your ad placement, content, and website design to increase your revenue. Common AdSense mistakes to avoid. One common mistake that publishers make with AdSense is clicking on their own ads. This is strictly prohibited by Google and can result in account suspension or termination. It's important to educate yourself and your team on what constitutes invalid clicks, such as accidental clicks or incentivized clicks, and take steps to prevent them. Another mistake is not following AdSense policies and guidelines. These policies are in place to ensure a fair and safe advertising ecosystem for both advertisers and publishers. Violating these policies, whether intentionally or unintentionally, can result in penalties or even account termination. Make sure to review and understand the policies before implementing AdSense on your website. Conclusion. In conclusion, I have covered everything you need to know about Google AdSense. We started by explaining what it is and how it works, then walked through the process of signing up and choosing the right ad format for your website. We also discussed the importance of optimizing ad placement, creating quality content, driving traffic to your website, tracking your performance, and avoiding common mistakes. Now that you have a solid understanding of Google AdSense, it's time to take action. Sign up for AdSense today and start earning revenue from your website. Remember to follow the best practices we've discussed and continually monitor your performance to maximize your earnings. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your website into a profitable business with the help of Google AdSense.